is in the 1880s it was changed over to a feed mill, because now people have livestock and they needed to be fed. And it was a feed mill up until the late 1950s, when my predecessor realized he was going to starve to death, and he put in a sawmill and a planer and a woodworking shop. And when I bought the place in 1979, that's what this was. It was a sawmill and planer woodworking shop. The feed mill was still here, but I made $50 my first year grinding feed and decided there was no future in that. We made some changes. We noticed that this was a big apple growing area, so we put in an apple cider press instead of pressing apples. And then the year following, we did the thing that best thing we ever did was put in our donuts. We're known for our little apple cider cake donuts, and that really opened the mill up to the